Guys, so today we're going to work on changing our paper towel roll. I have never done this before, nobody showed me how to do it, and I didn't want to bother anybody because I feel like this is something super simple that I could learn to do by myself. So I hopped on YouTube, watched a quick video, was kind of confused on how to put the paper towel in. I was putting it upside down. I think we finally got it figured out, so we're going to try to see if we can get it set up. So your first step is to unlock your paper towel dispenser. So you're going to take this key right here, insert in top, and it pops and releases. Then take your paper towels this way, place in. You're going to take your bottom and fold it over to create an edge. So it's going to look something like this. Okay. Once you take that edge, I'm going to try to get you on closer. Once you take that edge, you're going to feed it through your little wheels right here. So once you get that kind of stuck in there, you're just going to then, once that comes through, you stick this through right here. Close, and you're done. Unlock, place, fold, feed, close, and push.